Hi everyone. What's the first thing that comes to your mind when you think of air pollutants? You may think of pollutants like carbon dioxide, methane, and CFCs. However, did you know that there is another major air pollutant that you may not have heard of? And that would be unburnt hydrocarbons. But before all else, what exactly are unburnt hydrocarbons? Unburnt hydrocarbons are hydrocarbons, which are organic compounds that consist of hydrogen and carbon, which are emitted through the burning of petroleum in an engine. Examples of these include propane and ethane. But before we look at how exactly these unburnt hydrocarbons are made, did you know that 16 million tons of unburnt hydrocarbons are emitted by the 100 million vehicles in the United States every year? So how are unburnt hydrocarbons formed? In vehicles, unburnt hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons emitted after petroleum is burned in an engine. Unburned gases that remain after the first combustion process in engines of vehicles are the source of unburnt hydrocarbons. They originate from the incomplete combustion of engine exhaust. Other sources include evaporation of petroleum, oil refineries, and oil fuel power plants. Next, what are the effects of unburnt hydrocarbons? Unburnt hydrocarbons react with sunlight, oxides of nitrogen, and other volatile organic compounds in car engines to form ozone, which is the main component of photochemical smog. Heat from ultraviolet light provides the activation energy required to initiate this reaction. This leads to the formation of smog, which causes painful irritation of the respiratory system, reduced lung function, and difficulty breathing. This is more evident while exercising or working outdoors. Not only that, some plants such as tobacco, tomato, and spinach are highly responsive to ozone, so photochemical smog can decimate these sensitive crops, trees, and other vegetation. One way to solve this problem would be to use a catalytic converter made of platinum or rhodium. By means of redox reactions, the catalytic converter can help convert harmful substances such as unburnt hydrocarbons in the car engine into less harmful substances. Moreover, we can do our best to avoid taking cars but rather choose public transport or even cycling and walking to our destinations if they are close enough. If the use of a car is unavoidable, try to choose electric cars over conventional cars as they do not produce unburnt hydrocarbons. So now that you know what exactly unburnt hydrocarbons are, how they are formed, and what their effect on the environment is, let's all do our part in trying our best to reduce our unburnt hydrocarbon emissions. Remember, we are all in this together.
Created using Powtoon.